I usually do these videos. I like to do my videos outside. I live in Florida, and most of the time we do have beautiful weather. But right now we're in the middle of August, and it's been so hot and humid and really loud thunderstorms that come through in the early afternoon, anywhere from 1 to 4. So I've actually come into my home, and I've been doing quite a few videos here. So hi, my name is Irene, and I wanted to share what 7K Metals is all about. Why 7K Metals and what it can do for you. Now, I want to start off with a couple of reasons why the American dollar does not keep up with inflation, whereas gold and silver does. Now, one of them, I mean, I'm going back, way back, but it just shows you how gold and silver keeps up with inflation. Back in the late 1800s, if you had a $20 a 1 ounce gold coin, so a 1 ounce gold coin was worth 20 bucks. You could get a brand new custom made suit. You know, for the men, you know, with the jackets and the pants, the trousers, you can get, for 20 bucks, you can get a custom made suit. Or you could buy, if you're into guns, you could buy a high end pistol. Now, fast forward to today. That $20 obviously can't buy you a brand new suit, not in today's day and time. But that 1 ounce piece of gold is worth over $1,400 today. So you can buy, you can get a custom made brand, a suit made, and probably have money left over, and you can buy a high end pistol. So that just kind of shows you how gold keeps up with inflation, whereas the American dollar doesn't. Another example, I love to do this one, is back in 1965, because we're coming a little, rather than the 1800s, we're coming back up to 1965. A 1 ounce piece of silver was worth $1. So if you had $2,500 in cash, or you had 2,500 pieces of 1 ounce silver, you could buy a brand new Mustang. Again, fast forward to today, that $2,500 US American dollars cannot buy you a brand new Mustang. In fact, you'd be lucky if it could, you know, you could put it down as a down payment. But those 25 ounces of silver, now you could buy 2 brand new Mustangs. That just goes to show you what the value of gold and silver keeps up with inflation, whereas the American dollar doesn't. Now, the other thing that I love about 7K Metals, and I wanted to share with you, I'm sure you have subscriptions just like I do. I belong to Amazon Prime. It costs me a yearly subscription. And I belong to Sam's Club. I have a yearly subscription there. And Costco also does yearly subscriptions. And I'm sure there's a few other companies out there that are starting to lean towards subscriptions. And what does a subscription, a yearly subscription to these companies afford you, give you? They give you perks. You were the first one that they tell you about all kinds of sales. With Amazon Prime, I get deliveries to my home, whether it's $5 I spend or $50. I don't pay for any shipping. I have videos at my fingertips. I have books at my fingertips. This is what this subscription gives to me. So it's well worth it for me to pay a yearly subscription because I have these perks. Well, 7K Metals works the same way. It's a subscription based. You have a yearly subscription, and they allow you to be able to buy gold and silver at a wholesale price. And they are a very reputable company. They believed in helping the average American who can't afford to lay out thousands and thousands of dollars to buy gold and silver. So you can buy as little as you want, or you can buy as much as you want. The field is open. That's what I love about 7K Metals. It's really very simple concept. If you would like to have some information or give me your thoughts on it, do you have subscriptions to companies so you can get special perks? I know I do. So leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. And actually in the comments below, I'm going to put out my website so you can actually check it out. They have videos on there. They have all kinds of information. And if there's anything that doesn't answer your questions, reach out to me. On my website, it has my phone number. That's my cell phone number, so you can get in touch with me, or my email. Just reach out to me, ask me questions, or leave a comment below. I hope this has helped you to understand what 7K Metals is all about and how it can help you. I know it has helped me. It's been a blessing in my life, and I know it could be a blessing to you. So now for the until my next video, I hope you're having a blessed day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.